In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star a conversation in Slack. Starring a conversation is a simple but powerful way to keep your most important chats easy to find, whether you're working with a team, a client, or just trying to stay organized in a busy workspace. Let's start with what starring actually does. When you star a conversation in Slack, you're basically bookmarking it. This makes it much quicker to come back to that conversation later, instead of scrolling through a long list of channels and direct messages. It's especially useful if you regularly return to the same people or channels throughout your day. First, open Slack on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of channels and direct messages. Take a moment to find the conversation you want to highlight. This could be a channel where your team shares important updates or a direct message with someone you collaborate with frequently. Now, click on that conversation to open it. Once you've clicked it, you should see the conversation window appear in the main area of Slack. At the top of this window, you'll see the conversation name. For a channel, this is usually something like a project or team name. For a direct message, you'll see the person's name or the names of the people in that group chat. Next, look carefully near the top of the screen, beside the conversation name. You should see a small star icon. On desktop, this star is usually to the right of the name, along the top bar. On mobile, it might appear in a menu you access by tapping the conversation name at the top. The exact position can vary slightly depending on your device, but it will always be associated with that conversation's header area. To star the conversation, simply click or tap that star icon. When you do this, the star will typically change appearance, often filling in or changing color. That visual change is your confirmation that the conversation has been successfully starred. From now on, that conversation will be easier to find. Depending on your Slack settings, it may show up in a starred or favorite section, or the star will just remind you that this conversation is important. You can repeat this same process for any other conversations you want to highlight. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation you care about, find the star beside the name at the top, and click it to keep that chat right at your fingertips.